How to add Pandas data to an existing CSV file. I want to know if it is possible to use the pandas to _CSV function to add a data frame to an existing CSV file. The CSV file has the same structure as the loaded data.
You can append to a CSV by opening the file in append mode. If this was your CSV, foo.csv. If you read that and then append, for example, df plus 6. Foo.csv becomes
You can specify a Python write mode in the pandas to _CSV function. For append it is a. In your case, the default mode is W. If the file initially might be missing, you can make sure the header is printed at the first write using this variation.
A little helper function I use with some header checking safeguards to handle it all.
Initially starting with the PySpark dataframes, I got type conversion errors when converting to pandas dfs and then appending to CSV, given the schema/column types in my PySpark dataframes. Solve the problem by forcing all columns in each df to be of type string and then appending this to CSV as follows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.